guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, we are doing a MAC makeup haul. I have been buying stuff for myself because we had some new launches, and also MAC sent me a couple of the new launches. So I have a good amount of product here that I wanted to show you guys that was newly released and that was coming out. I also bought stuff because I'm trying to build my MUA kit. I have a new bag that I need to film. That might be for another video when I organize that. Yes, I have bought a whole bunch of stuff that I am ready to show you guys. So if you guys want to see the products that I have, then go ahead and keep watching my video. First, I want to start off. The lighting is kind of, I don't know, sorry, it's a little dark in here. I feel like it's super dark because my lights here will not turn on. Like I've mentioned before, MAC has had new launches. If you guys didn't know, I do work for MAC Cosmetics. I have bought in one, like the favorite colors that I liked, and MAC has also sent me some of their own. I think we're gonna start off with the lip. This is not a new release product, but I've been loving this lipstick. I've been eyeing it for the longest time. It is the MAC Made Sleek Satin Lipstick. A slight rosy nude pink. It is very natural. I love doing that ombre effect, so these lipsticks like this one, Flesh Pot, Cream Cup, like all of those light lipsticks I love using with like chestnut, mahogany. So this is one product that I got for myself. MAC has released MAC Lipglass Air products, and these are truly amazing. I bought a couple of them on my own. I got Behaved, and I bought Casual, and then I bought the Lip Plump. So these are the three that I bought for myself, and MAC sent me other ones, and thankfully they weren't the ones that I got, they were the other ones. These are the Lipglass Airs. I'm missing a couple of them, but for the most part these are pretty decent. Let's actually start off with the Lipglass Blow. This one I had to buy. Like any lip plumping oil, anything, I just absolutely love. It truly is amazing. It has a gingery tang to it. It has ginger in it, so you really get that feel and that smell and the taste. I sadly broke it. I know it has like a yellow tint to it, but it does come up clear. For all of these products, they are very rosy pink. We're gonna start off with Frosting Lip Gloss. I can even add this on top. So it has a slight shimmer to it. You can add this to the back of your hand and use it as like a highlight and really just enhance the highlight on your cheek. It's not sticky. It really is just moisturizing. So you can apply it to your cheeks, to your lips, like to your eyes if you really wanted to. But this can be a multi-tool of highlighting. Same with the other ones. Like you can use it as blush because it is not a sticky gloss. We're gonna swatch Behaved. It's a very light pink. This goes great with the burgundy lip liner, or even you can use Soar lip liner to make it more natural. I'm into that ombre finish lip. That's what I always end up doing. Now we're gonna swatch Snobbish. This one is a darker pink. Honestly, like mahogany. You can do it with Night Moth. Root for Me. This one would look really good with. Now this one is gonna be Spritz. Spritz has been on the fence for me. It has to be a special lip look for me to wear this. I wanted it to be more of an everyday lip, but it does not come out that way for me. I basically figured that I'm just gonna have to use it as a going out lip. It is kind of like pinky but corally. It's very opaque for me. Not like super opaque, like if you spread it out it can be okay, but like these are the more natural ones for me. If I pair it with a lip liner, this one, it would be more of like with a look. So now we're gonna go in with Casual. This one I honestly can wear it by itself. Again, I love a good lip liner, so I'll probably usually pair this with Chestnut, but you can pair this with Mahogany too. This would be a great fall natural lip. Then they sent me this one, which is Quality. This one you can just wear by itself. It's dark, but also it's not too pigmented to the point where it'll outshine anything. It still has a sheer finish to it. I absolutely love all of these. These are amazing. I love that they're not sticky. They do last all day if I don't eat anything. There's been times where I've just been so busy and my lip is still on. That's honestly it for the lips. We're just gonna go in with some face products. We updated our Studio Fix powders. There's been like back and forth to it. Like, people love it. The people that have been using Studio Fix powders, some of them are like okay with it. Everyone was skeptical. Some people don't like it. I'm gonna be honest, I was never a powder person. Like, I've always used liquid foundation, cream stick foundation, and then I would set powder on top. Now with this, I honestly really do love this. Like, for my everyday mommy looks, I use these for sure. Like, it's just so quick and easy. I don't have to use liquid and then set with powder. I can just kind of cover some blemishes up, look a little bit alive, and go with my day. For these powders, I got 2 of them for my face. I got NC35 and then I have NC20. NC35 for my entire face, NC20 for my under eyes, my chin, and my forehead to kind of bring in some highlighting. I used to use like loose powders, but these are honestly amazing to set as well. So because I already have makeup on, I'm just going to show you. They are a pressed powder. They come with a sponge already, and this sponge is just shaped a little bit differently. It has this corner to get really in those under eye areas. I mean, it really is that easy. Quick touch-ups. You see that shine on my nose? Gone. See shine on my forehead? Gone. Yeah, I absolutely do love these for both as my base and to set my makeup. I got these 2 for myself. They did end up sending me 3 more, and they sent me NC45, NW40, and C4.5. I decided that these are gonna be going in my new makeup kit, just because obviously these are not my shades, and I feel like maybe a client would prefer these better than liquid. So yeah, I'm keeping these in my new MUA kit that I am gonna be building up soon. I did end up getting some new blushes. I ended up getting the Glow Play blushes because I feel like they do give out that radiant look after having a matte foundation. So I have Grand and Blush Please here. They are very natural for my skin tone and up. It is like a rosy pink, and this one is Grand, I believe. Yep, this one is Grand, and I don't want to swatch them because I'm just not ready to, but I just wanted to show you guys those. This one is Blush Please. This is more of like a nudie pink. This is great for like a Fitzpatrick 1, 2, even 3, where it'll show more of like a rosier blush, whereas on me it just kind of looked like a natural blush. And I have blushes of my own that I will be cleaning and incorporating to my kit, so which is only why that I really needed lighter blushes, because I just didn't have that in my kit. Then I ended up getting the Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette. I got this one in medium, medium deep, and dark. I am missing the light Conceal and Correct palette, but they are right here. These are honestly awesome to use just in general, so I don't really need to buy concealers. There is 4 concealers and 2 color correctors. This one is the medium one, so there's NC30, NW25, NC35, NW35, mid yellow, and the mid peach. So I cannot wait to use these. This is the medium deep one. It comes with NC40, NW40, NC42, NW43. Color correctors are the rich yellow and the burnt coral. This is a dark Conceal Correct palette. This one comes with NC45, NW45, NC50, NW55. And then it comes with a Color Correct Orchard and Pure Orange. So these are honestly really cool, and I cannot wait to use these just to conceal and correct, because that's what it's for. That's honestly everything that I have gotten or bought so far. Like I said, some for myself and some for my kit, and I'm just so excited to put my kit together. It's been holding off for a minute because it's just stressful to look at. I need to transfer all these foundations into these bottles that I got, so it's gonna be a work in progress and I just don't have time. I'm also very exhausted. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here. Let me know which one was your favorite product that I did show. If you guys want to see me test out any of these products or come up with any of the looks, like with the dazzle shadows, with the liners, or even the Lipglass Airs, I already have a couple on my Instagram, but there's always room for more. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.